How to download files from Mega. Hello guys, this is Atticus, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can download files from your Mega app. So if you don't have Mega app, all you need to do is just go ahead in your app store and search for Mega. So you can upload files in Mega on your online PC. After you do that, you can use this app, and you can use this to just download it on your mobile phone. So all you need to do is open this up, set up your account, and after you do that, you can see this files option on the bottom left. Go there, and this will be your uh, you know cloud. So here all of your files will get set up. All you need to do is tap on these three dots here of the file that you want to download, and after you do that, you can make it available offline. So just select that, and yeah, that will basically make it available offline, and it will start downloading. So that is how you download files from your Mega app. And thanks for watching. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more. And